What's up, guys? Raicall here, and hey, this is my KVK vid. It's not full of action as I would like to be, but as I would like it to be, but hey, it's the best what I can give you, and I hope you like this. So basically, what we are doing here is we saw two guys, one next to each other. They were attacking castles in KVK. And hey, we decided to rally them. So we wanted to jump on them as long as they were there. So we quickly rallied them and they ported out. So here we are filling the rallies. Well, trying to fill the rallies. One of the guys are there. And I think that's the one who Nipple is rallying. And the other guy is a bit further away. Now, I've kind of made a tiny mistake here. And I'm gonna tell you what in a couple of minutes once we get there. But hey, as you can see, the rallies are getting filled, kind of almost full. We're missing one march from each rally, but hey, that's okay in our books, so we don't mind. There we go. So let's see how these rallies go. So Nipple's rally already marched, and as you saw, I was in speed gear. Now, Nipple's rally will be sped up, so it was, I think, 1 hour plus rally, and I think it still is. No, it's 7 minutes currently, but you will see the carpets being dropped. See, so it's 5 minutes already, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, and it goes like that, so on. So let's see. So he's in war gear, and the rally should be hitting in 1 minute ish. So yeah, let's see how this goes like. And the dude who's next to him actually attacked him, so I didn't check if he sent a full march to see if he's empty or if he just gave him his leader. But you can see him marching right now, and you will see that he will either capture his leader or he just gave his leader. I have no idea, but hey, 30 seconds approximately till the rally hits. Let's see how it goes like. Um, and I think someone else is attacking him. Yeah, there we go. I don't know if what was the purpose of that. Maybe just to try to hide the comp of the rally. Yeah, no idea. But hey, 10 seconds till it hits. Let's see what damage we do. And as far as I can see, he didn't really try to hide any troops with guildmates or stuff, but the rally hit. We got a burn. Um, let's see the damage we did. Hey, that's pretty good for an online target. It's decent. Let's say it's decent, okay? We won. We barely lost anything. So here is my rally. And I had my speed gear on. The problem is I forgot to change my gear again. So isn't that stupid? I should maybe do a reminder each day that, hey, Raicall, check your gear before you hit a target. So as you can see, the rally is getting sped up and the dude poured it out. So thank you for not letting us waste that many carpets. We won, so it was a victory. We barely lost anything. He lost something. I could have probably zeroed him if I was in gear. So that was stupid of me. But hey, shit happens, right, guys? Nobody's perfect. Yeah, so we barely lost anything. He did lose some stuff. He only had some range left, but he poured it away. So, let's see what I get in the boxes, okay? Because everyone likes to see these. So, 2 common pearls, so that's not too bad. Nothing here. Any B stuff? Yeah, we got 1 common venom. Nope. Nothing from the Trojan. Blackwing. 1 common eye, so that's not too bad. Any brains? Bloodsuckers, there we go. We had 1. 1 jewel, common, so that's not too bad, I guess. 1 brain, there we go. Any toxins, please? Yeah, 1 toxin. Any eyes, or what's that? Yeah, there we go, 1 eye. Any seeds? Come on. No seeds. Man, nothing here. Champion won't give me anything. Yeah, there we go. I was right. Any Snowbee stuff? Nope. And I needed that. And I don't care about the Frostwing. So, hey. Now, so, let's see what happens here. So, Inf March set, Inf March running. I don't know if that dude is a trap or not. So, let's pop a 50. And, let's see what happens. So it's a burn. I didn't lose any might, almost, right? No, he was empty. So we do try to capture the guys who are being posted in global. Now, that anti is back on. Good to play. Okay. So, what's next? Yeah, just looking for targets. Look, I've seen a 24 level castle just sitting there. His might is a bit too big, but I'm sure he's a trap. So, let's hit them. Why not? So, I'm not popping a boost. I don't need a boost for a 24 castle, not at this might. Let's see how this goes like. Okay, so this is kind of me testing myself out. I will pop a 50, just to be sure, and I got a burn. So that's good. Let's pop that anti-scout back on, and let's look at the report. Okay, let's just read that. Okay, OCD, sorry guys. So, okay, that's good in my book. So at least I burnt him and he ported out. I think that was his mission to lose uh, as less troops as possible and kill as many troops as possible. So yeah. Okay, so this is a funny story, guys. This dude is a trap, and he trapped Phil's leader. So what I'm doing here is I'm rallying the guy. The only hiccup was he actually mailed me, "Hi YouTube," and he migrated out from the kingdom. So yeah, first he ported, then he migrated. So we couldn't rally him. So this is actually a rescue mission. So we wanted to rescue Phil's leader. So what we did is I talked with the guy. He said he wants to be on YouTube, and I said, okay, well, port here, and you can take a screenshot, and I'll do a with. So here we go, doing the with, mate. Thank you for releasing Phil's leader. We should be seeing that in any second. There we go. So the leader is released and saved. So this is another way of saving leaders, guys. So all you need to do is just mail the person, ask them nicely, and sometimes they will. So let's just type thanks. Thanks, bro, and exclamation mark. Okay, yeah, there we go. Done and send. Okay, cool. So, leader rescued. No casualties. Okay, another emote. There we go. Yeah, love eyes. Love eyes. Close up. There we go. So, thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. Drop a like if you like this. Raicall over and out. Yeah, and another funny face after burning the dude. Okay, guys. Bye.